Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to draw and color Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, and it's super easy and fun. Ready to start? Let's draw together. First up is Mickey Mouse. We'll begin with his eyes, just like this. Then I'll draw his nose and his big, happy smile. Now let's add his hands. See how he's resting his chin right on them. So cute! Next, I'll draw his ears. Mickey has two big round ears, kind of like circles. Right beside him, I'll draw Minnie Mouse. Let's start with her lovely eyes. Then I'll draw her nose and her cheerful smile. Now we'll draw her two hands. Right on top of her head, let's add a big, beautiful bow just like this. Finally, we'll draw her round ears to complete the look. Awesome! Now it's time to bring them to life with color. First, I'll use a black marker to color their ears and their bodies. Then, I'll color Minnie's bow a bright, happy pink. A bit of sky blue for a splash of color. For their skin, I'll use a soft cream shade. You did an amazing job! If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more fun drawing videos. See you again soon. Bye-bye for now.